Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today, welcome to my orange couch and to my new upgraded studio that I made just for you guys. Thank you very much. And today we're going to have double unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. Today we're going to have a double unboxing of my Louis Vuitton. The first one is present I got for myself, and the other one is a present from my boyfriend to me, because this is the one that I bought for myself. So as usual, this is the bag, and then here's the pull-up drawer. There you go. And then this time it does have the blue ribbon, but right now they do have this really gorgeous red and gold ribbon for Christmas. So this is really nice, and then this is wrapped with this ribbon, and then of course the receipt, which is on this little nice envelope. So this is what we have today, and this is a little something for me that I think I will be using off. So let's open this up. And then of course there's the dust bag on that. Here's the dust bag. It's really nice. And what I got was, it's this one. This is a coin card holder in the mirror graphite. There you go. And I had the opportunity to talk to Myra, my client advisor, and then we did this one. So we did the hot stamping on that, and then it does have the silver hardware and black. So this one is just a simple one, but I really like it because you do have a slot here for a credit card, another one, 1, 2, 3. So there's 4 slots here that you can really use for the credit cards. And then you can put some money here too in front, or a credit card, another credit card. And then inside, what you do have is one whole pocket in there. There's nothing inside, no credit card pockets or anything like that. So that's that. And then I will show it to you so that you'll see it, that there you go, the Louis Vuitton. This one is made in Italy. So this is QR code. It's N64038. And then this one is made out of, it's coated fabric, and then cowhide leather trim, and then interior lining. So that's this. There you go. It's a really nice and then it's not that thick. So yeah, and then you can see here that it opens up so that if you're going to put things inside like coins or anything, it will bulk up on this side. So yeah. So this is the one that I got for myself for Christmas. And then this one is the one I got. So this is that from my special someone. And then here's that Louis Vuitton circle reversible print. So there we go. So it's M9935V. So we're gonna open this one for you guys, and here you go. Here's the belt. So we have the monogram on this side, and then we do have the epiletter on the other side, and it's black. So it's gorgeous. I love it. And then here's the size of that. So if you can see it right there, it's the size. So I really like this because it's really simple. It's a gold hardware, and then it's adjustable. There's like one, two, three, four, five holes on here that you need to adjust it. Unfortunately though, this is not my size, so that's that. How gorgeous that is. It's really nice. I love it. I love it. So that's that. I love this, but unfortunately it's not my size. So what we're going to do is this coming Saturday, I'm gonna go to South Coast Plaza again to return this one and get correct size. So that's the quick double unboxing that we have today. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. This is Charles, California. Have a wonderful day and do what makes you happy. Bye.